is ready to blow me down.
Hey y'all, so it's my 30th birthday photo shoot. And my best friends, my sisters are helping me, my mom is helping me. This is my look, it's my first look, so I don't know where this stuff is from, but yeah. Oh, let me take my glasses off so you can see my face. So yeah, this is my 30th birthday look. I did my hair, I did my makeup. Yeah, we're going through a crisis in the world, so this is me doing something fun for my birthday. So you guys will get the behind the scenes look, and then obviously the pictures on my actual birthday. See you later. If I look good or not, but I look
I'll
good.
show the camera.
Oh yeah, you can show them. So,
Oh, that's not good.
oh, they was just giving me I guess we're going inside now. Even though it's like the end of March, it's cold.
Yeah,
So we're going inside. I can take my shoes off?
Yes. Oh, you need to pull it harder. Hi.
Hello. Y'all, my feet hurt so bad. We're going to the house now to get more looks inside where it's warm. I'm going to step on the grass. So yeah, we're going inside. Alright, so right now we're actually going to sing Janisha happy birthday.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Alrighty. There you go. That really makes a difference? Who knew? Okay. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Nisha. Happy birthday to you. Yes. Happy birthday, Nish.
Thank you.
Alright y'all, so it's pretty much a wrap. I don't know how much footage we got, but I just changed my lip. It was red, but I changed it back because I'm going to take some selfies. But yeah. Well, I don't want to show them because they're going to be like, please don't show us. Great time. You can't see me. I had a really good time. The lighting is not great. Oh, there it is.
Turn me down.
But the lighting is good though.
Girl, I dropped it early. I thought I broke it. I was never crying.
So, yeah, so it's pretty much over. It's over, but I had an amazing time. Yeah, I'm super tired, but I also don't want to take my makeup off because it looks really nice.
We going out tonight. I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed. I don't know about nobody else. I'm old.
Where them Rona parties at, y'all?
That's the other thing. We definitely can't go nowhere with Corona time. But yeah. Okay, so thank y'all so much. I appreciate it. That's a wrap. Stick a fork in me. I'm done. But thank you guys so much again for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notified every time that I post a video. Love you so much. Bye.